Welcome to Coteria Solutions YouTube channel, where work is made simple. We help teams simplify, automate, and amplify their work.
How online retail stores can trigger special offers in Keap. Are you running an online store and worried you're missing sales because you can't reach customers at the right moment? What if you could trigger special offers automatically based on customer behavior? With Keap, you can. Online shoppers expect personalization. If a customer abandons their cart or browses the same product page 3 times, that's a buying signal. Without an automated system, you miss the chance to close the sale. Keap solves this by letting you create automations that respond to customer actions in real time. Setting up behavioral triggers in Keap. Let's walk through it step by step. Step 1. Define the trigger. Inside Keap Campaign Builder, choose the action you want to track. For example, cart abandonment, browsing history, or email clicks. Step 2. Tag the behavior. Apply tags to customers when they perform that action. For example, cart abandonment or viewed shoes page. Step 3. Automate the follow-up. Build a sequence that activates once the tag is applied. This could send a discount code, a reminder email, or a personalized SMS. Step 4. Test and refine. Send yourself a test campaign. Make sure the trigger, tag, and offer flow smoothly before going live. Imagine a customer adds a handbag to their cart but doesn't buy. Keap automatically tags them as cart abandonment. Within 1 hour, they get an email offering 10% off if they complete the purchase today. This small nudge often converts lost sales into revenue. Scaling this strategy, you can create multiple behavior-based offers, exclusive discounts for repeat visitors, free shipping reminders for cart abandoners, VIP offers for your best customers. Keap makes all this possible without manual effort. Behavior-based offers are the future of online retail. Keap gives you the tools to act on buying signals automatically, so you never miss a sale. If you want to see how Keap can work for your store, check out the link in the description to start today.
Thanks for watching. Ready to take the next step? Visit us at coteriasolutions.com and let's unlock your business potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your team.